Yes guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel and to today's video. Now, if you have already watched my previous video, you already know that I've recently picked up the Balenciaga track sandals, but I thought it would make a great video just to kind of unbox these beauties properly, give you guys, I guess, a little bit more of an in-depth look at them, and also show you a few different ways that I'm going to be styling them. It's actually been a while since I've done a proper unboxing video on this channel, so I'm really excited for this one. I think you guys are going to love it, but before we do jump into it, you all know what to do. Let's smash that thumbs up button because it really does help kind of push the video out to new people. If you are one of those new people, then hit subscribe for more men's fashion content every single week. And last but certainly not least, hop on over to my Instagram and give me a follow over there. And super active. Every single day we're posting outfit pictures, we're posting outfit reels, and it gives you guys the opportunity to, I guess, get a behind the scenes look into my life and just to kind of keep up with me on a daily basis as well. So if that is something that you guys want to see, then definitely give me a follow over there. So jumping straight into the actual unboxing segment of this video, as you can see, the sandals come in your standard kind of grey Balenciaga box. We've got the Balenciaga branding on the top of the lid, and then also just all like the details of the shoe on the side here. Inside the box, we just have your usual kind of Balenciaga dust bag, which honestly, guys, comes in really handy for me, especially when I'm like always out and about shooting content. I'm always putting my sneakers in these bags just to kind of keep them nice and clean. So you've got your standard grey Balenciaga dust bag, and then you've of course just got like all your tissue paper covering the sneakers just to kind of keep them nice and clean. And then we have these beauties. So like I said, let me just take the tissue out first. So like I said, as you can see, I opted for the all white colorway, but they do come in a huge variety of different colors. Firstly, what I will say is these are definitely a lot more similar to the Balenciaga track V2 sneakers as opposed to the V1s. Just because the V2s don't have as much cushioning and the caging is a lot more visible and not covered up. Honestly, they're just a sandal version of the V2 sneakers with some slight adjustments. So just to kind of go over a few of the little details on the sandals. Firstly, what I will say, as you can see, I have actually already worn them. But just to go over a few of the little details, on top, as you can see, we have two Velcro straps, and then you also have a third on the back there, just so you can kind of adjust how tight and snug you want these, you know, to your personal preference. In terms of actual branding, as you can see on the top strap here, we have some very minimal kind of tonal branding. Then we have a lot more of a visible bold branding on the back strap, and the same on the inside as well. Obviously, as you can see, guys, they've definitely stuck to the whole kind of chunky dad shoe aesthetic with these. Like, literally, the midsole is just as chunky as the sneaker version, which I am a huge fan of. They're definitely a statement piece. Let me just say this. If you're going to be rocking these sandals, you can definitely expect to get a few looks just because of how chunky and in your face they are, especially, like I said, for a pair of sandals. But honestly, I love them. I honestly won't only be wearing these in the summer, I'll still be wearing and styling these on the dry winter days as well, because I feel that these look just as good paired with some wide leg trousers as they do paired with shorts. And that is why at the end of today's video, I've put together two different outfits. One is a summer look and one is a winter look. So definitely make sure you check that out as well. Now, in terms of actual price point, these are coming in at, I think, £595. So obviously, you know, they're definitely on the more expensive side of things, especially for a pair of sandals. Now guys, in terms of actual sizing, I did stay true to size with these as well as my sneakers as well. And honestly, like, they fit me perfect, exactly how I personally like them to fit, which is on the slightly snug side. but they fit me perfect. So what I would say is either stay true to size, or if you are maybe kind of in between sizes, then go up. So yeah, guys, that is it for the unboxing segment of today's video. Now, like I said before, we are now going to move on and actually style these sandals two different ways. One of them is more of a summer look, and one of them is more of a winter look. Now, as always, do let me know in the comment section down below which out of these two different outfits are you guys vibing with the most. But without any further ado, I say we jump in. And there we have it, guys. So that is the full unboxing and styling of the Balenciaga track sandals. Now, I am intrigued to know your thoughts on these, so do let me know in the comment section down below. I've also got a huge video coming next week, which is, it's all about my brand. So honestly, please make sure you watch it. I am so gassed. We're really close to launching. Big video next week with a lot more information about it, and yeah, just make sure you watch it. I am gassed. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe if you are new, drop a comment down below, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's basically a daily vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one, which will be next week. Peace.